I told you I was going to the park up there.
Wasn't there, Sam?
What?
And Harry?
What? No.
Harry?
What?
Was it Jess or Lady? They had an enormous basket.
It was you!
Harry, you're going to get in my way at the
One
moment.
of those two trains is for us. I'd say that one was.
No, I think this one's ours, isn't it?
No, that one would be ours.
Yeah, that's the one.
That's what I just said. That one can't tell right now. Unless it's... Yeah, we're out.
No, it's not warm enough.
It's not ours.
It's not us.
That one's ours, down there.
That's it's Lewisham.
I know, but that one's ours as well. There's a Lewisham one over there.
Here.
Here's